Right, hello adults, this is your second, so this is going to be your first fitness session of the week. So it's nice and easy, it should be a short video, I'll just go through it and then you can set it up on a timer or however you decide to do it. So this is what it's going to be. Okay, so each one is going to be done for 45 seconds. Press ups, ignore handwriting, I know it's terrible. It's just how I write. Press ups, sit ups, then squats, flutter kicks, and tricep dips. Okay, and you can do this all twice. Okay, so how you're going to set it up is each exercise will be done for 45 seconds with a 15 second break in between. So you'll do 45 seconds of press ups, and as soon as the 45 seconds finishes, you'll have a 15-second break. Then you go into sit ups. 45 seconds of it, 15-second break. Squats, 45 seconds, 15-second break. Flutter kicks, 45 seconds, 15-second break. Tricep dips, 45 seconds. Okay, this is also going to be an AMRAP, okay, which stands for as many reps as possible. So you're going to count your reps. So you're going to count every single one that you do. That 15 seconds isn't just a break, it's for you to jot down how many you do. You don't have to tell me. If you want to, you can put it on the Facebook group chat. And you're going to be doing this twice. So the second time you want to beat how many reps you do in the first. So that doesn't mean the first one you go nice and slow, so the second time you can do more. It means the first time you do as many reps as possible, and the second time you work harder and you try and beat those reps. It's that simple. So in between, so you'll be doing this twice. I would like a 5-minute rest in between each time. So the point of it is, so yeah, your arms and legs will be tired, but you're going to have to try even harder to beat those reps the second time. So that's why that 5-minute break's in between. So it's 45 seconds on each one. You count how many reps you got. As soon as you go into that 15-second period, jot down how many it is. So have a notebook and pen or notes on your phone, or even if you think I've got the brain of a goldfish, but if you think you can just remember them, remember the scores and write them down after you finished. But yeah, so 45 seconds, then move on, and then 5-minute break in between. So you've done all 5, then 5-minute break, get some water down you, don't gulp it down, just small sips, don't want to throw up, and then after the 5 minutes is over, back into it again. Now in these 5 minutes, don't sit down, don't eat or sit down. So as soon as you sit down, lactic acid will start to flow and it will start to seize everything up, if you know what I mean. And make sure, as I said in the last video, make sure you've had your 15-minute warm-up before you start. So obviously working on everything. So first, press-ups. I'd like them, unless you have any injuries, I'd like them on your feet. So from there, we usually do wide arm press-ups, so that's completely fine with me. Wide arms come down. So at the moment, I'm in the wrong position. Should be nice and straight in one straight line. Don't want it down there, I don't want my bum up there. It's one nice straight line. I come all the way down, and I come all the way up. When I go down, I don't touch the floor and lie down. It's just hovering up a little bit, and straight back up. Okay? Now, I'm telling you this for a fact. There is probably a 95% chance that any of you will not be able to do press up straight for 45 seconds. If you can, fair play to you, I take my hats off to you. So you will need to have a little rest, okay? So don't try and do, a little tip for you, don't try and do as many press-ups as possible and then stop and go back into it. Do it in sets, okay? So I know that for me, I'd probably do it in sets of 10 to 15. So I'd do 10 press-ups, take 2 seconds out, shake my arms, then straight back in. Then do another 10 press-ups, take 2 seconds out, shake my arms, okay? That's just me. If you man can do 45 seconds straight press-ups, go for it. But that's just how I do it. So if you're not too confident with press-ups or anything like that, go for it. Sit-ups. Knees nice and high. We don't want them down there. They should be close to your bum, so about, I'd say, 30 centimetres away from your bum. There, and knees together. So from there, we don't want those knees coming apart at any time if possible. They should always be together. Okay? From there, hands, don't have them behind your head, just don't want to be pulling your neck forwards. It's all in the core, okay? So we want them to the side of the head. We come up until our knees touch. Okay? When our knees touch, then we can come back down again. We come up and we come down. Ignore my phone. So from there, we come up till we touch. Once our elbows have touched, we come back down again, and our hands open up. So our hands go nice and wide to the side, and then we can go back up again. Okay, same again. If you need the break in between, personally, I can do 45 seconds straight of sit-ups, but other people might not be able to. So if you need a break from there, sit down, shake around a bit, so you move the lactic acid around, and then back up and into it again. Remember, you're counting your reps, so you're counting how many of each you do. Okay, next is flutter kicks. I don't want the hands underneath the bum. Hands are going to go to the side. Okay, from there, head goes down. It doesn't matter if you point your toes or not, but you want your legs straight, so we're not doing bicycles. Okay, it's coming from the hips. Okay, so the legs are straight the whole time. One comes up and the other. Okay, now flutter kicks shouldn't go more than 90 degrees. So from there, that's a 90 degrees angle is, well, one straight up, one straight out. Okay, so they shouldn't go any more than that. So from there, it's up to 90 and all the way back down again. I don't want to see, well, obviously I can't see, but none of this and none of this either. Okay, nice and big. Okay, each rep is every time the leg goes up. So for me, if I was counting, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, each one of those is a rep. And last one is tricep dips. So there's multiple versions that you can do with these. So if you have, well, obviously I can't say, but so for tricep dips, you'll need something to elevate yourself. So whether that be a stair, or a sofa, or you can pile up things. So if you know what I mean, so find something that you can use to elevate yourself off the floor to be able to do your tricep dips. So for me, I'm just going to use some pads. Okay. And from there, turn to the side so you can see, I sit right next to them, okay, nice and close. My hands point forwards. So my fingers are pointing forwards. I lift until my body comes all the way off the ground, and I come down until my bum is almost touching. It's not going to touch them. And I come back up again. That's 1. So all the way down and back up is 1. So I don't go down until I sit down. I go down just until my bum's just above the ground, or until it just touches it a little bit, and back up again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See, my legs are nice and straight. I don't bend them. They stay nice and straight the whole time. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now as soon as you finish tricep dips, then you can start the 5-minute timer, then off you go. Now for the tricep dips, if you don't have anything, and I mean absolutely anything that you can use just the floor. From there, this is a last resort if you don't have anything. Hands just behind the bum, okay, so they're not in line, just behind. I lift off, so I'm going to be a little bit more straight. I don't want all the way straight, there still should be a slight bend when I come down. But you will not get much out of that. You will get a lot more if you're elevated. Okay? So that is your session, your fitness session for today. It should work out to be about 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Okay? Make sure you've warmed up before you do all of it. So it's press-ups, sit-ups, squats, flutter kicks, tricep dips, all done twice. If you want to take a picture, there it is. And that is the session. Have fun.